హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఐఎమ్ నర్సింగ్. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ఆర్పిఎస్ క్రియేషన్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్.
Namaste, welcome to Spoken English class, Basics in English Grammar. Today's topic is the conjunction. Definition: a conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes words. Here are some examples. God made the country and man made the town. Two and two make four. Conjunctions join together sentences and other often make them more compact. Balu and Vittal are good bowlers is a short way of saying Balu is a good bowler and Vittal is a good bowler. In the same way, the man is poor but honest is a contracted way of saying the man is poor but he is honest. Sometimes, however, the conjunction and joins words only as two and two make four. Hari and Rama are brothers. Hari and Rama came home together. Such sentences cannot be resolved into two sentences. Conjunctions must be carefully distinguished from relative pronouns, relative adverbs, and prepositions, which are also connecting words. This is the house that Ravi built. This is the place where he was studied. Take this and give that. So here these words, that is that, where, and these are examples for different that is relative pronouns, relative adverbs, conjunction, that is according to the usage in the different sentences. Conjunctions which are thus used in pairs are called correlative. Conjunctions are merely correlatives: either, or, neither, nor, both, and, though, yet, whether, or, not only but also. These are the examples for correlative conjunctions. When conjunctions are used as correlatives, each of the correlated words should be placed immediately before the words to be connected. He visited not only Agra but also Delhi. We use many compound expressions as conjunctions. These are called compound conjunctions. Examples: in order that. The notice was published in order that all might know the facts. So that, provided that, as well as soon as if. These are all examples for compound conjunctions. Now, classes of conjunctions. As we shall see, conjunctions are divided into two classes: coordinating and subordinating. Birds fly and fish swim. The sentence contains two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance. Hence, the conjunctions joining together these two statements or clauses of equal rank is called the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating means equal rank. Here, definition for coordinating conjunctions: a coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank. The chief coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, or, nor, also, either, or, neither, nor. Coordinating conjunctions are of four kinds: cumulative, which merely add one statement to another. He carved not only a line, but we raised not a stone. Adversative, which express opposition and contrast between two statements. That is, he is slow, but he is sure. He was all right, only he was fatigued. Disjunctive or alternative, which expresses a choice between two alternatives: she must weep or she will die. Next, elative, which express an inference: something certainly fell in, for I heard a splash. All the precautions must have been neglected, for the plague spread rapidly. Any of the coordinating conjunctions with the exemption of or, nor may be omitted and its place taken by a comma, semicolon, or colon. That is like this. That is example here. Rama went out to play. Hari stayed in to work. The sentence here, one more sentence is given. I read the paper because it interests me. The sentence contains two statements or clauses, one of which, because it interests me, is dependent on the other. Hence, the conjunction introducing the dependent or subordinate clause is called a subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another or which it depends for its full meaning. Again, I repeat, definition for a subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. The chief subordinating conjunctions are after, because, if, that, though, although, till, before, unless, as, when, where, while. So these are the chief subordinating conjunctions. You will pass if you work hard. He finished first, though he began late. These are the examples. Subordinating conjunctions may be classified into their meaning as follows. That is, time. I would die before I lied. I returned home after he had gone. And second one is cause or reason. First one is time. Second one, cause or reason. My strength is as the strength of 10 because my heart is pure. Third one, purpose. We eat so that we may live. Fourth one, result or consequence. He was so tired that he would scarcely stand. Fifth one, condition. Rama will go if Hari goes. Sixth one, concession. I will not see him though he comes. Seventh one, comparison. He is stronger than Ravi. So these are the examples and different classes of conjunction. And next topic is some conjunctions and their use from and after the time when. That is, I have been in such a pickle since I saw you lost. Many things have happened since I left school. Here, since when used as conjunction in this sentence should be preceded by a verb in the present perfect tense and followed by a verb in the simple past tense. Next one, seeing that. Since you wish it, it shall be done. Since you will not work, you shall not eat. Since that is the case, I shall excuse you. Next, or is used to introduce an alternative. Your purse or your life. You must work or starve. You may take this book or that one. If is used to mean, first example, on the condition or supposition that if he is there, I shall see him. Admitting that, as if I am blunt, I am at least honest. Whether, as I asked him if he would help me. Whenever, as if I feel any doubt, I inquire. And next one, that as a conjunction remains much of its force as the demonstrative pronoun. Example, not that I loved Hari less, but that I loved Krishna more. He was annoyed that he was contradicted. To express a purpose, also we use that, and is equivalent to in order that. We saw that we may reap. We saw that we may reap. He kept quiet that the dispute might cease. Next, than. Wisdom is better than rubies. I see you are oftener than him. Lest love not sleep, lest then come to poverty. Next, while he was sleeping on an enemy sword tears. While there is life, there is hope. Next, only. The day is pleasant, only rather cold. Except a man be born again, he cannot see the kingdom of God. Without. I shall not go without you do. Because, for, since. Of these three conjunctions, because denotes the closest causal conjunction. For, the weakest, since comes between the two. That's all about conjunction. Hope you understood the conjunction and type classes in the conjunction and examples. So please solve the sentences in the exercises. And next subtopic is interjection. The interjection is, already we discussed definitions of all the parts of speech. The interjection is a word which express some sudden feelings or emotion like joy, grief, surprise, approval. Okay. Hope you understood all the parts of speech in this. We will continue with with the new topics. All the best.
సో ఈ వీడియోని మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. అండ్ అలానే మీరు CFW గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే SI ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అని కామెంట్ చేసినట్టయితే మిమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి గ్రూప్లో అయితే యాడ్ చేస్తాం.